In this lesson, we are going to cover a very useful command for new users of SolidWorks. This command is called Repair Sketch. When I teach an introduction to SolidWorks course, I always notice the first few weeks that many of the students are not creating good clean sketches. In fact, the sketches have many overlapping lines, like you see here and here. The sketches may also contain gaps which should not be present, or we may find that the sketch have extra line segments. So all of these are common issues for new users. And when the sketches get more complex, sometimes it is very hard to find these problems. So SolidWorks provides us with very handy tool. It's called Repair Sketch. If we go to the Tools drop-down menu and select Sketch Tools and then Repair Sketch, a very simple dialog box appears. I'm going to key in a gap value of 0.2. And now, what does this value present? This value is basically looking for any gaps of 0.2 or smaller on your sketch, or any extra line segment of 0.2 or smaller. And if it finds any 0.02 or smaller, it will notify you as a problem. Now, if there is any gaps or line segments greater than 0.02, it is assumed those are intentional and are not problems with your sketch. So now it's only showing two problems. One right here with the gap that we see between these two line segments. And if we go to problem 2 of 2, this extra piece of line. So now that the Repair Sketch tool identified two problems, we can close out of the dialog box. But before we do that, I do want to point out that if you ever want to turn off the magnifying glass, you just need to click this icon here and it removes the magnifying glass. So I'm going to close out of this, go out to the screen and correct the problem. There is one, and then down here in the bottom right hand corner, I will delete that piece of geometry and fit the sketch to screen. And it is always good practice. You go back to the Repair Sketch tool and you run it one more time just to make sure there is no new problems. I'm going to reset this to 0.2 and notice no problems found. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more content.